Hello everyone, you're welcome back again. This is the episode 2 of the part of physics you get to see every year in your IGCSE exam. And yes, we are still on electricity. And the first question we're going to be looking at today is, which circuit has a 0 ammeter reading? The first thing you need to consider is the circuit itself. How does current flows in this circuit? In this circuit, you need to consider the battery and the diode. This battery has a positive terminal here and a negative terminal. So current comes out from the positive terminal, goes through the diode, and then it enters back into the battery. So in this kind of circuit now, current goes in the right direction, which means this ammeter here is going to record current. Now look at option B. The same thing is applicable to option B because the diode and the cell align. So for this now, current comes from the positive terminal of the battery and then enters through the diode and then back into the battery, which means yes, the ammeter is also going to record current. Now let's look at option C. For option C, again, current is going to come out from the battery, goes through the first diode, the resistor, the second diode again, and enters into the battery, which means yes, the ammeter is also going to record current. But if you look at the last option, which is option D, current is going to come out from the battery, yes, goes through the first diode, the resistor. However, this second diode is opposing the flow of current, which means there's no current in this circuit. And then if there's no current, there can be reading on the ammeter. So our answer is option D. So option D has no reading on the ammeter. So let's look at the second question we have here. Two 10 ohm resistors are connected in series and then in parallel. What is the combined resistance in each case? For resistors combined in series, so we're going to say the total resistance is R1 plus R2. And yes, R1 is 10, R2 is 10, which means we have 20 ohms. Now when you have two resistors connected in parallel, all you have to do is you do the product of these two resistors over the sum of these two resistors. So 10 times 10 is 100, 10 plus 10 is 20. So 20 in 10 is 20 in 100 is 5. So our answer is option C, 20 and 5. So guys, do not forget to like, comment, and then share to those who need this video. Watch out for episode 3. Thank you.